Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and this is episode number 500. Yeah, so, howdy. I thought I'd do something, logical. Something that kind of got me into this whole thing in the first place, and if you've followed me for a long time, you'll know exactly what that's gonna be. This is Nissin Chicken Ramen. This is, it'll say right down here, the original instant noodle. The origin of instant ramen since 1958. So yeah. And I've got fun. Okay, let's put our bowl here. And to commemorate our occasion, I've got a little. That's Hyoko-chan. That's kind of the mascot for this variety of noodles. So Hyoko-chan, you can hang out right here. Hopefully people can see you and you don't get knocked over. Yeah, no, you can't. Oh yeah, you can be seen. There's Hyoko-chan, looking kind of freaked out. And look, a balloon. Because on occasions there are balloons. This is, although not from Japan, this is from Nissin, Hong Kong. But that's cool. Woo. Balloon. So let's put this in. It's a dark, rainy day outside. These packages, by the way, open up in such a uniform and perfect way. All open. Perfect, happy, wonderful. Put the noodles in here. Bunch of banging going on around here. I don't know. Alright, so there's our noodles. Push them down a little bit. Okay. One thing too, these noodles are really good just straight, like you bust off a piece and you eat it, like yeah, nice and crisp. Now, egg. Didn't go as planned. Let's not commemorate with some eggshell, shall we? Now, the important step. It's time for boiling water. Three minutes. So, when I was a kid, my mom would make me this stuff. I could have made it myself. I mean, it's pretty simple, but Anyways, you'll have to sit on the red pepper thing. Here you go. But it was, when I was a kid, they stopped having this kind that my mom would make for me called, wait, no, you gotta scoot over there. I need my face seen as well. But yeah, they had this stuff called roasted ramen that was out in the U.S. and it was much like this. And they stopped making it. So we went down to Wajimaya down in Seattle. This is the story I've told like 5,000 times. Went down to Seattle, found out about this variety, the chicken ramen. And that's when I saw tons of instant noodles available at that Japanese supermarket. Not just Japanese, but there were some that I'm like, what the heck was that? It like had a polar bear and had an apple, and it must have been Korean. I remember being like 9 years old and we had picked out a whole bunch of them, and like the cupboard just had a bunch of them in it. Varieties that I tried back then that I really didn't like that now I love. Yeah, good times. But back then, a lot of varieties were easy to get, like this one. And this one now, you can't just like go to Wajimaya and go buy it. You got to import it because I'm guessing there's chicken in it. And of course, we got all weird about chicken. So it's a shame because this is a really basic, easy, versatile ramen that everybody should be able to try. I mean, it's the origin of the instant noodle. There is no safer food. This is safe as milk. Safer than milk, because if you have milk that you leave out longer than you leave this out, it's going to go bad and you're going to get sick. You're not going to get sick from these noodles. That would be really, really hard. The seasoning is in the noodle also. It's a chicken flavor. It's more of a sesame chicken flavor. Let's see, we got a half a minute to go. But yeah, a balloon, a little lid holder downer. This is more for like a cup noodle, like a cup men. But yeah, pretty cool. Thanks again to Nissin Hong Kong for sending it. Actually, this is probably was sent by Nissin Japan. That's probably more like it. I'd have to go look back at the meet the manufacturers, but they've sent me lots of stuff. It's been a while though. I'd love to try some more of their newer varieties. They come out with so much stuff. It's not even funny. I mean, it's like noodles come out and then they come out again and then they come out again. And this is done. That is the way you cook this stuff. I think what would have been better is if it wasn't such a deep packet or deep bowl. But yeah, the noodles are cooked. The egg is eggy enough for me. And yeah, it's got a nice sesame chicken kind of flavor to it. So let us imbibe ourselves a little taste of rotato. Let's put you in here. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. You can hang out. And let's have some rotato action with Hiyoko-chan on this, the 500th edition of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. We'll have some different music too. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and Yeah, thanks for watching and supporting the show. I really appreciate it. I know there's like a little group of regulars that watch this show, and I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And yeah, looking forward to doing another 500 episodes. It's pretty easy and quick and fun, so I like being able to share it. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.